See, guys, come along for the ride. Okay, I have some dirt. It's raised bed soil, so I should call it that instead of dirt, I guess. And this is a bit clumpy because it got wet on the porch. So I'm just going to throw some of this in there. Now on the other ones, I used a mixture of straw and this dirt. Well, this I'm going to strictly use the, there's a lizard in that. Look at that. Guys, let me tell you, that'll be on the bloopers. Watch for it. So now I need to turn this thing sideways and get it out. Come on, get out. Go. Okay. And that was something I hadn't expected. Okay. As I like to say so often, real life. Now I'm halfway afraid to dig back down in here, afraid of what else I'm going to find. Have you folks ever been digging in your bag of potting soil or raised bed soil and found a lizard? If you have, please let me know. Did it surprise you as much as it did me? I threw my dirt down on the landscape fabric. Oh well. It'll be all right.